So in this particular subtask of the URL Shortener project, what we will be doing is we are going to be creating the generate short URL function, which is actually going to perform the hashing, and it's going to hash the given long URL. So let's see the requirements which this particular function should fulfill. So first we should generate a unique short code, and let's look into what is MD5 hashing. So in MD5 hashing, basically it's going to take input of any length at all, and then it's going to convert it into a fixed 32 character hexadecimal string. As I told previously, it's going to create it into that fixed output no matter what. And we have an example right below over here about how it looks. And let's see how to use MD5 in Python. So first we're going to call this particular function, which is part of the hashlib library, which is basically going to convert the text or URL into bytes, because MD5 requires bytes, not text. That is, MD5 takes bytes as an input and hashes on that. It does not take text as an input. So after converting it into bytes, so basically you're creating a hash object of this particular URL, and then in the next line, using this function, we are going to be getting a 32 character hexadecimal string. So the first 6 characters of this hexadecimal value will be the short code which we are going to use as a key value in the data dictionary. So basically over here we have D3B073, which is the first 6 characters, and these first 6 characters will serve as a key value in the data dictionary. So, and then we're going to append the short code which you get over here, and we're going to put it over here. So this is basically the template of each shortened URL. :6 over here means it's going to take this hexadecimal value, give me only the first 6 characters of this particular hexadecimal value, thereby slicing the rest of the characters. So let's import hashlib library first, and then we're going to create a data dictionary. And now coming to the actual function, we're going to take in long URL as an input from the user, and we're going to take it as an input for this particular function. And this line over here is to just tell the programmer as to what it's going to do. So as we saw previously, we are initializing a hash object over here, and at the same time we are encoding the text, which basically means we are combining these two steps given over here. Here we are converting the long URL taken into bytes, and then we are creating a hash object simultaneously instead of creating 2 steps. And then we are going to get the short code by slicing the hexadecimal value, and then after that we are going to return this. So basically why we have used F over here is to tell Python that whatever is in the flower brackets over here, the actual value of that particular text will be given. That is, in this case, short code contains the first 6 digits or first 6 characters, and it's going to actually give the actual value instead of writing out short code. And we saw user choice in the previous subtask. And then in the main function, we're going to run an infinite loop along with the text asking the user for input. And in choice, we're going to take input and pass it on to this particular function over here. And if choice is 3, we'll be breaking. So for now, we haven't used this anywhere in the main function because we'll be referencing to this using this particular function, which we will see in the next subtask. So let's just run this function once. So yeah, as you can see, it's not going to do much right now because we haven't actually used it in the main function. Let's just submit this code and see if it passes all the test cases. So as you can see, it's passing all the test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.